This is Lindsay. I'm Suzanne Ridgway, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Motivation Monday. We're going to get cleaned up, take care of all the rooms here in the apartment except for the back bedroom because that's where my husband works. We need to do a full sweep and mop today and take care of a bunch of stuff. But before we get cleaning, look for that subscribe word and smash on it. Don't forget to tap on that bell. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let's get cleaning. Breakfast is done, so we got to get the sink cleaned up and washed out. I'm going to put away some dishes, get the countertop washed down, get the toaster put away. I'm going to take care of the coffee maker. I have to wash the roasting pan from yesterday and let it soak overnight. Do a full sweep and mop in the kitchen. Hang up my coat. I went downstairs this morning. It's been pretty pleasant out. I have to put away my camera. I took some pictures and some videos of my blue jay and squirrel this morning. Got to clean up the TV room. Make Jacqueline's bed. Tomorrow we're doing bed sheets. So we'll be stripping the beds. We do it every couple of weeks. Just grabbing my coffee mug so it gets washed. And take care of Isabella's room. And then take care of the bathroom. I'm going to start by clearing off the countertop and putting away the dishes. Then we're going to wash underneath the dish drain. Take care of the dishes in the sink and wash the sink out. Hi everyone, working quickly. I'm going to put away the toaster. And then we're going to take care of the dishes. There's only a couple in the drain, so I didn't adjust my camera for that. And get that bowl put away. And we're going to turn our attention to the other side. I'm going to take care of the coffee maker. Then I'm going to put away the silverware. Put the pans on the side. Get the silverware put away. And I tidied up the side over there. They kept falling over. Now we're going to remove the dish drain and wash under it. Just going to get the things out of the way. I do this a couple times a week. And then we're going to take the dish drain apart and wash that piece by piece. I do that twice a week. Keep it clean because it gets all kinds of soap scum on it and it's gross. Top and bottom of it. Make sure it's rinsed well. And then I reassemble it piece by piece. It's like a puzzle. The gray part down first and then the white part. And there's just like 3 or 4 dishes in here, so I'm going to wash them up quickly. Get the coffee mugs washed from coffee this morning. We have our coffee around 5 o'clock every morning, my husband and I. And the kids get up for school about 6, and they're downstairs for the bus at 7:03. Been a very busy morning since we woke up. We have laundry to go in today. That won't be included in this video. I have separate laundry videos in my Clean With Me players list that you can check out for your convenience. It's for a family of 4. I'm quickly washing out the side before I put the roasting pan in it. And then I'm going to scrub out the roasting pan. I always use this for my hams and whole chickens and turkeys. It was given to me by David's mom. Do the opposite sink really quick. Get it hosed out and wiped out. Make sure all the dirty tea towels go down to the laundry room downstairs. We have our own washer and dryer downstairs. Now that the sink part is taken care of, including the dish drain and under it, we're going to wipe down and wash the countertop and get that ready for the day. We're going to do some food prep later today. for a separate video for crockpot chicken soup. Now we're going to take care of the countertop, and I'm going to scrub it down with hot soapy water, get it cleaned up. And I moved my vinegar and oil out of the way. Doing a good job. I also moved the fruit. Now we're on the opposite side. And then we're going to take care of the microwave, as well as the stove top. I move my Dutch oven for a minute. Then I'll wipe down the coffee area. I grabbed another clean tea towel to get all the soap off. I knocked over the one that was given to me. And I wiped out the microwave. Now we're doing over by the coffee maker. My back is turned for you to the moment, sorry. Now that the kitchen is done, other than the floors, we're going to go take care of the rest of the house, and we're going to do the floors last. I'm going to let that coffee pot continue to cool down, and put all the dirty tea towels in. Start in the dining area, and then work our way to the TV room, Jacqueline's bedroom, back to Isabel's bedroom, then finally the bathroom, and then sweep and mop. Start by hanging up my coat. A few things are on the floor with my S-hook. I like using the S. Here's an example where I use the small S-hooks from the Dollar Tree, and it holds quite a bit of stuff, giving me extra storage to hang bags and purses on my little rack here by Mainstay. I'm going to put my camera away first, and then move the gerbil food next to the cage, and take the battery completely out so I can get it fully charged for the next time I do some photography. Disappear for a second, and then we're going to wipe down the dinner table together, including all 4 of the chairs. I use the disinfectant wipes on the table, and I do a good job so we can have dinner here tonight with my kids. I'll quickly do the buffet over there. I'll take care of the gerbil's cage later today. Now we're in the TV area. I'm going to fold the blanket first. I like to sleep on the couch a lot. My husband snores. I always stay hydrated while cleaning. I rolled up my headphones. Now we're in Jacqueline's bedroom. I'm going to flip the pillows and then fix the blanket. Apparently, a high-end look is some wrinkles in the blanket, so who knew? I'll leave it alone, why not? Now I'm going to clean up this little tabletop. Jacqueline got something all over it. And it came off with the wipe. I'm going to put everything back in a second. Little pink box we got at the Dollar Tree. Now we're just going to take care of the dresser and the Before we go any further, we're going to do the sweeping in this bedroom as well as the TV room and the dining area. So when I do a final sweep and mop, I won't have as much to do. Sweeping this tiny room here, it's an L shape with the bed. Now we're into the den, and I noticed a cobweb, so I wanted to get that on both sides. In the one corner I noticed cobweb started, so I went and took care of that this morning, and anything I knocked over I picked up. Now we're going to head into the dining area and sweep, then finish with Isabel's room and the bathroom, and then sweep the kitchen, and then mop the rest of the area. I'm going to sweep first, either side of the dining table. Work my way around. Get up everything. It's not that bad. I did sweep over the weekend. I do sweep every day. And the weekends I don't clean as much. I keep the kitchen clean the whole weekend, and the priority areas like the bathroom. I grab my swiffer from the Dollar Tree and mop all the way around once again. I grab my spray so you can get the floors nice and clean and disinfected. That is LA Totally Orange Awesome from Dollar Tree. I'm now in my almost 18-year-old's room. I'm going to take care of the bed. We have a lot of activities after school. Clubs, cabaret, swing. Lots of homework. They're a senior. They're graduating this year. They may be Sleuth Victorian. They are in the running for it. We're waiting to hear about RPI, which is a prestigious engineering school in New York State, which they may be attending with a full ride because of their hard work their whole life. And we're so excited for my kid. In the fall, they had track, and they also have jazz band, but that's early in the morning on Wednesdays, and they do regular band as well. Now we're into my oldest bedroom. I'm going to get all the big dolls off in throws. organize the ones at the top of the bed here, including the throw pillows. Isabel still likes their dolls. Jacqueline not so much. Donated all of theirs except for a couple. Now we're going to make my way to the front of the bed. It's a small room. I'll fluff the blanket out. I don't understand the catalogs leaving little bits of wrinkles in the blanket saying it's high-end, but it's what I've seen on YouTube. So why not? Then I don't have to fuss so much over my kid's bed. Just as long as it's made and they don't have to do too much with all their homework and activities after school. Then we're going to take care of the rest of the throws at the edge of the bed and turn our attentions to the floor, do a sweep and a mop. Rooms have their advantage with sweeping. Easy to do, very quick, especially with the mopping, done in minutes. I'm going to just tidy up the little nightstand and grab my mop real quick and spray and get her floors all mopped up and disinfected and clean for the week. I mop a couple times a week when they are at school. We are getting near done. The only thing I have to do after the bathroom is sweep and mop the kitchen because we just did Isabel's room. I went ahead off camera and mopped the TV room and Jacqueline's room. Then I'm going to do a mop in the little breezeway outside the bathroom and the small floor strip that you see. I'm going to take care of the sink first, then the toilet. I'm going to dump in the Comet and we're going to wash out and rinse out the sink. It's a new faucet, so I got to learn how to pull that little plug out so I can wash it too. My landlord put in a new faucet. It's beautiful. We really like how it looks high end. And there's no more crud there. He also sealed back here. I need to get some good grout cleaner for the walls. Any recommendations, please comment down below. Please be kind. I rent. This place is over 140 years old. I moved in 10 years ago. They didn't completely redo the bathroom. They just cleaned it up. So the bathroom needs a real overhaul as well as my kitchen. First thing I'm going to do is spray the toilet down from the top to the top of the seat. Then I'm going to add Comet to the bowl. Then I'm going to spray the bottom of it and wipe around the floor area where a mop can't go. Let's get the toilet cleaned. I sprayed it first, then I'll wipe it down with a clean rag, hot water, get all the chemicals off. Then in a moment, I will take my Comet and dump some into the bowl. With my toilet brush, I'll clean it out, adjusting myself so you can see the tough angle. Then I'm going to let the brush drip dry, dripping into the toilet. And I flushed it twice by accident. Never usually do that. Accidentally flushed it twice. I normally don't do that. I'm going to let the brush drip dry into the toilet and then put it into its holder. I'm going to do a sweep and a mop in the small floor area here. Grabbing my broom and dustpan. Just going to do a quick sweep. I'll make sure that garbage can will be emptied out because Wednesday's garbage day. Grabbed my mop and I sprayed the little strips of floor area. I did manage to get the broom on and mop on the other side of the toilet. It's a very tough angle. Into the breezeway, I'm going to do a quick sweep. And then we'll mop. Grab my mop. Unfortunately, the Swiffer refill fell right off of it, but I got back on. I'm using my organizer there to house all my cleaners that are extra, so I have them stocked. Now I'm into the kitchen and I'm going to do a quick sweep. And then we're going to finish with a mop. And we'll be all done with Motivation Monday. And the house will be clean, at least until my kids get home. Or my husband cooks something for himself to eat. Hung up my broom and mop and put it away. This was a useless empty space between the wall and the refrigerator freezer. And now it's my broom closet. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Motivation Monday to help you get motivated to do your own home, to keep you in check, keep you clean, keep you organized. Before we go, did you smash on that subscribe board? Don't forget to tap on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up, and always tap on the legend so you can personalize the bell to your preference and never miss a single video. Thank you for watching.